This is room 1222 at the old Key West Resort. Okay. There's the kitchen area. There are lots of cupboards. Lots of space. Of course, everything you need for cooking and silverware, dishes. Full microwave, stove, and oven. Full fridge. There's space here for luggage and things like that. It's a bar. Dining area. This is a couch. This one actually turns into a bed, which I'll show you. And then this chair over here also turns into a bed. And this one is the single bed. Then you can see there the double bed in the back. And then we've got balcony out here, which is tons of space. And we're overlooking the golf course here. And then nice sitting area out here. A sitting area out here, and it also goes to the main bedroom over here, which I will show you in a second. Here's the bathroom for the main bedroom. It's got a jetted tub. This strained window out into the main room. Big setup here. Only one sink. But then there's another sink in here as well. And with the main shower. This one is just a shower. We've got Disney Resort. And then this does come down. Shower. Okay. And then the main bedroom here. Very nice. That's cute. And then its own TV here. And then there's the door out to the balcony that we just saw. Little sitting area. This is the second room. This is 2 queen beds, and it has its own bathroom as well. Out here, let's see. Another closet. And another bathroom. This one has a bathtub in it. This is a laundry room here. Washer and dryer and ironing board here.